Hello guys, so if you want to have your own personal color for your YouTube channel, or you want to have a particular color that you want to be using, that you want people to know you with for your Facebook, Instagram or website, anywhere, this is a very simple step to follow to generate your own color and be using it where you want. First of all, you go to your browser. As you can see my screen, go to any browser that you are using. So you go to search button and type color palette. You can see it there. Different side will come up, but let me just say you type for Canva. This is the best place to generate your own color. So you can see it, the first one that come up in my screen, this particular one, right? You tap on it. Trust me, here you find different color that you would like for yourself to use. So let me just say I'm going for one of these in this lane. You tap on this love icon. If you tap on it, close to it, you see the page will open. You can see it's different color rating. Isn't it amazing to select your own color, have your own best color for your page, so that people will know you with that color? If they see any post, they're like, hey, it's from you, blah. You understand? So that your page will get good look. You understand? Let me just say I'll choose one here. Let me go for this chill pepper. This one. If I tap on it, you can see different type of red here, right? So let me just say I like one here, or even inside the ones that will pass, you can tap on them. Let me tell you, I tap on it. Any place that you want tap, you can see I tap. So here I say let me go for this one. Let me tell you, like this one. All the color, understand that every color has its own code. That is their own. This is the code. You can see this one that start with ash FF4500. So you tap in it the way you used to do copy and paste. You copy it. That was the color, your own color. Let me just say this is what you want. That color must appear, no matter how many color appear inside your thumbnail or your video or anywhere. This color must be there, even your thumbnail, banner, on your website, profile picture, or anywhere, website, anywhere. You say this is my personal color, right? So let us go to a place to paste it. Canva, any place that you are using. I don't know what you are using to do your thumbnail, create your banner and all those stuff, to do your graphic designing. I don't know where. Any place you can carry this code. The code is general. Every color has its own codes, the way I say it before. So let's tap on Canva. If you don't have Canva, you can install Canva inside your phone. I've do a video about Canva, how to use it, even for free if you don't want to use the premium. So the app is there, this site is there. So if you don't have the application, if you don't want to download it, you can go through their website. This is the website, you can see it here. Tap Canva only. The first one, you tap on it, accept. You can sign up for free, use your email address. Very great. We have been using this app for a long time, so I believe it's very helpful. So you can do see search button. You tap anything that you want to do. If not, if you want to put thumbnail, use YouTube. If you want to carry any design for yourself, that's what I'm trying to say, that they have already make it, but you want to redesign it to your own wish, it's going to open. So the same thing with the app. Let me open the app so that you guys will get clear understanding. I advise you guys to even download the application from Play Store, App Store, anything, even iPad is there. If you open the app, this is what you see exactly. The reason why you are seeing here, because I've been using the app, using many templates. You can see I'm using premium for you to know the way I like the application. So I can even give you guys the premium, but money will involve, just that it's cheaper. So somebody can use my email address to send me. So you see the search button here. You tap YouTube thumbnail the way I see it, exactly inside that particular video. You search anything that you want. If it is banner, if you open the banner, pictures will come out like this. Let me just say you see this particular one, you like it, it fits to your video, you tap on it. But the color that is there is not your own. Remember, you have your color, you know your code. So as a YouTuber, as a person that have social media, you're supposed to get notebook or your own notes inside your phone. Put the list of things that you always put in your video let me just say your code, your description, now you have place to type them so that it will not stress you anytime that you want to create a new video or a new thumbnail. You understand? So I've already made a video how to use all this one. It is not something new about you can check the video. So this color is yellow. It's not your color, right? You tap on it. Be sure you show this cycle, because I say it inside that video that I explain this application, that anything that you want to edit, you tap on the thing. Because if I tap here, you can see I tap on the text. That means I want to edit the text. If I want to change this picture, I tap on the picture. That's how I change the picture. If I want to change the whole color, I must make sure that this cycle go around the picture all the way you can see it right here now. So as I tap on it, you can see down here it give me color. Okay, let me remove it so that you can understand. You see there's no color now because I tap on only this text. It only give me how to edit the text, color and fonts and all those things. But if generally I tap on the picture, it will bring this to me, which is the yellow color. You can see it here. So we tap on it. You can select your color that you want, but there is place here to this plus icon. That's where you put your own personal color. You can see it start with ash, the way I mentioned it before during selecting that color, because you have already get your own color. So you don't need any color. You have your own color that people know you with. Let me tap it here. Paste. I paste it. Let's zoom whether we have that color. Sorry. Paste it. Done. You can see this is the color that I select there. So I have my color. I say if I want to edit the text, put something, but people know that I have this is my color for my channel, for my page, for my Facebook, for my Instagram. As a content creator, you're supposed to have color. By the way, we know it all. So this is how you select color. Even though you want to do your banner example, this is how you do it. Tap on that particular thing, edit it, put your own color. Very, very simple. The way I say it before. So if you enjoy this video, help me to like. You can like the videos. It means a lot now. As a content creator, you understand this, and you can subscribe if you want important video like this. You can see this one, so I change the color. I have my color. So thank you for watching and God bless. Bye. We out.